Hagajing persyang ban pensuk ihpai ba nung snong kathan Pynursla ban yo jeng mentoi bubun kiliang haka Frederick Risau Jarpson nakaliang menteri rang ba gajela konrad kisang ma ulah hiar syakati kathan ban plipat ba ik mini secretariat bar ke circuit house hakate ke CNRD block hakani ka sngi nalau menteri rang ba gajela lai dan lang du ba preston tensong MLA ke Pynursla bat sembut menteri rang ba gajela uba sanbor sulai menteri berikmi ketenat arts and culture uba Kevin MLA ke Sora Ushakil P. Ahmed, Chief Secretary Sorkar Jala, Uba Cyril V.D. Dingdo, Commissioner and Secretary, nalar kiwe pan. Habakran na kajingelang, nakaliang ba Preston Tensong, ulapan pao kajingsongo, yung menteri rang ba kajala. Ubalabu Ahmad ika Pynursla, hakakampan ray kajala, hakabolo yero, ika jingitri lang, kabala Pynurslang ika ni ka project.
Chief Minister Sri Preston Tensong and other dignitaries to kindly proceed.
How can we become functional? We should immediately. Yes.
Welcome each and everyone. Without further ado.
Ready. It's better than this offices or something. Yes, that's French hall. Conference room. So we can have one of the cabinets will come here.
Ati India por ke balalen no kipani issue di riwai puja. Diong kata kabeling office joka civil subdivision Pynursla Kalongkung Kesenaya. Mentah kalaim di Pynursla Jong ka Pynursla civil subdivision. Kaburon kade jong pi om ka jong chief minister, om ka jong minister. Mereka buron kade ka jong pi. Ka Sorkar hapo ka jelang jong chief minister badan buron jong. Upan rak sama. Ngitray la katam. Ngimbon ke. Ngindon por bagpet iya kiway. Lagi don por bampek ia kajiduna jom kejelang mereka. Kulai sihajamu, yang soda jom kerat siapa. Yang itu pilai kentai. Tapi ai dia kerjakan nak kebentar bangilak ban pendek yang kena ke projek. Ublay untuk kukerpan yaki. Proudly I said to Honorable Chief Minister, this land was donated free of cost, 80 acres of land. It is not a joke. Berapa acre Karat Shabong, Kilong Trai, Shingayaru Pindodkam. Wilayah Ratlen, ia kasih subdivision Pynursla berkoi. Kulai yaki, ublay unang berkoi yaki. Na kawai kapuar siya kawai patapuar. Kabaa, kulai sihajamu. Yaki sa sisenpat, Kilong Trai, Usorda Jong, Karasyabong. Sa kumbaan ho ekar di ajang yang ihajan hane. Balisna yaki MRS. Ka Eklinia Model Residential School. Akan ikan benai kebanwan milik sedang berbantai ya kan. South Urtam. Kan ikan South Urtam. Kata yang kay South Urtam. Kay MRS. Ka Model School. Ang nadek kata project Kikon jombi, kikon jonga, kikseo jonga jombi. Ngila bandu hostel, ke boarding school hame. Ude ulum ubah kentang. Baka jing kentang jong ugadai. Nalar bakarat syabong. Kadai kabayon ijinari. Kumulay siya dan usor hati. King sajia kijing iubi kijing itenat Hakini isnem di bawah. Hapo ka Pynursla perlun merokui. Kanang ubi batin nang yo isusu. Ya kijing itena kajingku kajingpi. Usian menang yang dari orang-orang ucipnya hidup di awan disupport awan Pynursla is more developed than Tura. I said, if that is the case, please come and take over the teaching. Take over my seat over here. See, I'm telling you, even the chief minister himself, he witnessed this. We are the luckiest. Nakakadaw ko kilong pari ko sama. Niyetray ya kata. Ninay kan hokri. Ninay apet ya no ya nuro. Nitray ya kata. Kanang batapaten jomi. Kanlong kabak pernah.
Haba ajin kan nak kasngi nagaliang menrirang ba ulang bag jingla ban pendap igini gi arli project kalong kom kadak ban penpau bag Sorkar kadoni ki jingtmu ban aga jing Shakri ka bakhamba ba khamchan shi ki paj ba nong shukshnong nor ka taw lo angru ba kom Sorkar ka kwa ek kom trekam ka batang gawai ha ba ki nong shukshnong kem dong kam shu ban mare nagoi ka office chekoi pat nag mata ki kam chuki ha gani kasngi nagaliang menrirang ba ula play paj ba ye ka block integrated development complex BIDC ha Pynursla.
A lot of people told us, don't touch the border issue. It's politically very, very hot and it's going to burn me. But we discussed with the police here. And we said that if we don't do it, then nobody's going to do it. We have to try. Because 20 years from now, when we look back, we will regret that when given the opportunity, we didn't do it. Similarly, when I say we do things differently, I'll give you an example of what I mean. That when we have thousands of schemes from Government of India, we don't need to start new schemes. But we just need to make sure that that scheme that we are doing is implemented differently. We have block offices everywhere. We have SDO offices everywhere. It's not that we have to create more offices. But we have to make the system in such a way that the SDO office starts working differently. And when I say differently, I mean more efficiently. And this is the core or the crux of what we do as governments. When we started in 2018, NG and REGS had utilization of 400 plus crore, less than 500 in 2018. Today, in 2025, the same scheme, not a new scheme, the same scheme of NG and REGS. But today, because we are doing things differently, we are touching utilization of almost 2,000 crores. Same scheme started off with 500, today we spend 2,000 crores because the block offices are working more efficiently. The BDOs are working more efficiently. Our Gram Sevaks are working more efficiently. Our block offices have been created. Infrastructure has been improved. All of this leads to better implementation of schemes. In the last 15 years, maybe almost 15 years, we had about 40,000 PMAY houses. In 15 years, 40,000 Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, low-cost house, what we call. Today, in 1 year, in the year 2023-24, or 24-25, I'm sorry. In 1 year alone itself, because we did things differently, the same scheme of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, where on an average we were getting less than 5,000 houses a year. In 2024-25, we received 150,000 houses. And again this year and next year again we expect 1 lakh houses. Friends, the reason I'm telling you this story and this thought is that is what drives us to create infrastructures like this. How do you expect our SEOs, how do you expect our BDOs to perform and to deliver differently if they are not given the necessary space and infrastructure to do it. It is unfair and it is impractical. And that's why we went on a spree. For last 40 years, the block offices were never renovated. No new block office was built. In a matter of 4 years' time, 56 block offices have been sanctioned. Close to 30 have been complete. The rest will be completed in about a year's time. Our government in these schools for 30 years were never touched. Because the department said we have no money. And to review. And in that review, I was told by the department that we need 2,000 crores to repair all the schools. I didn't know what to do. I just told them, I don't have 2,000 crores, but I'll give you 100 crores this year. You start with that. And you will not believe. Today, after 5 years of doing this every year, we are almost at the end of completely renovating or building new school buildings for almost all the government LP schools, all the government UP schools, all the government higher secondary schools, and also all the government colleges. So friends, this is the process with which our NDA government today is working. And why Mini Secretariat? A lot of people question, what is this Mini Secretariat? Is it a fancy name? Or do you plan to do something with this? The idea of creating Mini Secretariats, friends, is very simple. We want a one-stop shop. We don't want our citizens to run from one office, then have to go to one more office 2 kilometers away, then have to go to another office 3 kilometers away. No. We would like to create a system and the infrastructure required to get that system in place where people don't have to go to multiple offices. We will try to put all the concerned departments that are there in a civil subdivision under one roof and possibly get more other offices also who do not have permanent spaces within this campus itself. The idea being public service delivery. That we should be able to deliver public service in a more efficient manner. My ultimate goal and vision, which I think will take maybe 3, 4 years, 5 years down the line, but my vision is to see that for any service that people want, they should be able to go to the closest office and submit the paper, and then they should be told after a week at least to come back and collect it. Today, if somebody wants to get a caste certificate, it is at the Deputy Commissioner's office level. That means a person from Pynursla will have to travel all the way to those offices. Or any other kind of service which is required in these offices. We would want the block office, the SDO office, and other departmental offices to work as a front end for all services, no matter which department you want to go to. So that vision that we are working on. And maybe we may not be able to achieve 100%. I agree. It's a very, very far-fetched idea. But again, we have to think big. Some people will laugh at us, it's fine. We don't care. We know what we want to do. And we do it with sincerity. We do it with full commitment and full honesty. Today, many people would have thought that this building would never have been possible. But under the leadership of our Deputy Chief Minister, his constant push and commitment to his area and to his people has made this project a possibility. But I must share this with you. Last time we went to Tura together, and he told me, you know what in Tura? He said, Tura is much more developed than Pynursla. I said, you can come here with the condition, you can take over this also, no problem.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.